Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram search bar not working problem or Instagram search not showing photo or reels. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Again open your Instagram app. Click on profile picture. Again click on 3 line or horizontal line. Scroll down. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account search not working or reels or photo not showing up problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click on search icon. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram search bar not working problem or Instagram search not showing photo or reels problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.